Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Callus Remover is probably one of the most sought-after tools for achieving soft, healthy-looking feet, but with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video will dive deep into the world of Callus Removers with catchers, helping you identify key features, understand the benefits of a catcher, and ultimately find the perfect tool to keep your feet feeling smooth and comfortable. We will explore various designs, materials, and functionalities to help you make an informed decision and avoid common pitfalls. Number 5. Love, Lori Foot Care Kit. Transform your dry, rough feet with our complete foot care solution. This kit combines a powerful callus gel and a dual-action foot file for salon-quality results at home. It's formulated with salon-quality ingredients to penetrate and soften even the toughest calluses and corns in minutes. It's also paraben, steroid, and artificial fragrance-free. This effective foot file effortlessly exfoliates dead skin, revealing smooth, healthy feet. Use it after applying the gel for best results. Simply soak your feet, apply the gel, let it sit, exfoliate with the file, and rinse. It's that easy to achieve soft, beautiful feet. It's thoughtfully created with natural ingredients like glycerin and mint to provide a relaxing and luxurious foot care experience. Enjoy spa-quality care in the comfort of your home. Experience the difference with Love, Lori. Our products are designed to nurture your feet and leave you feeling pampered and refreshed. What we like? This bundle gives you both a powerful gel and a practical foot file. The gel softens tough calluses, while the file efficiently exfoliates. If you're looking for a complete, easy-to-use system for salon-quality results at home, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. After just one use, my feet felt smooth and refreshed. The ergonomic design makes it easy to use, and it's gentle yet powerful. Perfect for at-home pedicures. The gel is easy to apply and really helps to soften calluses, making it easier to remove dead skin. The design is comfortable to hold, and it's gentle yet effective at buffing away rough patches. I followed the instructions on the back of the box. Soaked my feet, dried them off and then put on the gel with the included gloves. I then used the foot scrubber to remove calluses. The scrubber is large and sturdy. It worked well getting rid of all of the dry skin. Number 4. Lee Beauty Callus Remover Kit. Tired of expensive salon visits? This kit lets you easily remove calluses and dry skin, giving you smooth, soft feet from the comfort of your home. It's quick, easy, and saves you money. Simply soak your feet, apply the gel, and let it work its magic for 5 to 10 minutes. Then, gently use the included rasp or pumice stone to reveal beautifully soft skin. It's that simple. This isn't just a callus remover, it's a hydrating treatment. It softens and smooths rough patches, leaving your feet feeling incredibly soft and supple. Enjoy comfortable, healthy-looking feet. The gel's powerful formula not only removes calluses but also hydrates the skin, targeting dry, cracked areas. It helps rejuvenate your feet, leaving them feeling moisturized and healthy. This kit helps remove years of built-up rough skin, revealing smoother, more comfortable feet. Regular use will significantly improve the texture and appearance of your feet. Show off your beautiful, healthy feet with confidence. Our specially designed rasp kit complements the gel, enhancing your at-home pedicure experience. Contact us anytime with questions. We're here to help you achieve the best results. What we like? It's an extra-strength gel that not only removes calluses effectively but also hydrates your skin, leaving it soft and supple. If you have extremely dry, cracked heels or stubborn calluses, this is the solution for you. What people say. After using it tonight they are good as new, baby soft. Super easy to use, excellent value. I followed the directions and even had soapy water ready in case the gel unexpectedly hurt my feet so I could wash them quickly. No need. I let the gel work its magic for nearly 5 minutes, then I easily, and with no force required, scraped away dead skin with the provided rasp. And there was a lot of dead skin. Number 3. RELAXTONY'S Foot File. This innovative foot file offers a 2-in-1 solution for your foot care needs. It effectively removes calluses and dead skin while smoothing and softening your feet. One side tackles tough calluses and cracked heels, while the other side polishes your feet to a smooth finish. It's the ultimate in convenience. The integrated catcher neatly collects all the debris, making cleanup a breeze. Enjoy a hygienic and hassle-free pedicure experience. Podiatrists and salon professionals endorse this foot file as an essential tool for comprehensive foot care. It's a trusted solution for healthy feet. Made with high-quality stainless steel and featuring a comfortable ergonomic handle, it ensures precise and comfortable use on wet or dry feet. We're confident you'll love the results. Discover the RELAXTONY'S brand and explore our range of high-quality foot care products. What we like. This double-sided foot file features a built-in catcher for a mess-free experience. One side tackles calluses, while the other smooths your skin. If hygiene and convenience are your priorities, this is the best option for you. What people say. This is by far one of the best that I've ever used. After using it on my feet, I followed up with Palmer's Foot Magic Moisturizing Cream, which is part of my usual routine. I don't think my heels have ever felt this soft. Incredibly sturdy, high quality, and easy to use product that actually works. The rasp side has the perfect sizing, aka it's not a cheese grater, and the buffing side is even better. It delicately grinds down whatever you got going on, and then buffs and smooths, prepping those feet for lotion and freedom. This baby was delivered today, and after one use I already have smooth feet. So many products this type are just too big, in my opinion. This one seems just right, big enough to get the job done but small enough to not endanger surrounding skin. I like the two-sided feature, with each side having a different function. It's easy to hold and easy to use. Works really well for me. Number 2. Sunivaca Glass Foot File. Tired of hard, dry skin on your feet? This innovative foot file makes removing calluses and dead skin quick and easy, leaving your feet feeling soft and smooth. Get salon-quality results without the salon price. It's gentle yet effective, providing long-lasting smoothness. Unlike harsh scrapers or pumice stones, this file is designed to be gentle on your skin, preventing cuts and scratches. It's perfect even for those with sensitive skin. The nanopoints on this glass file stay sharp for thousands of uses, so you won't need to replace it frequently. It's a truly sustainable solution. It's compact and lightweight, perfect for travel. Simply rinse it clean with water after each use, no need for refills or charging. Its sleek, transparent design is both beautiful and hygienic. The seamless construction prevents bacteria buildup, keeping your feet healthy. Summer is here. With this foot file, you can confidently show off your feet in sandals, heels, or even barefoot on the beach. What we like. This glass foot file is durable, long-lasting, and easy to clean. Its nanopoints stay sharp for thousands of uses. If you want a durable and travel-friendly option that delivers professional results, this is for you. What people say. This file is the only thing that keeps my ultra-dry feet nice and soft. The file is affordable, easy to use, effective and easy to clean sanitize. It's very sturdy solid. It removes dead skin fairly quickly without pain or discomfort. Number 1. Foot File Callus Remover. Don't let rough feet hold you back. This foot file gently removes dead skin, leaving your feet soft and smooth. Remember the feeling of confident, smooth feet? This tool helps you rediscover that feeling, naturally and effectively. You'll notice a difference after the very first use. For best results, use it over several sessions. Simply soak your feet, then gently rub it on the rough areas using a rhythmic motion. Let it do the work. After using it, moisturize your feet and enjoy the smooth, glowing results. You'll be amazed. We're confident you'll love it, but if not, our team will help find a solution. Order now and experience the difference. What we like. This foot file combines bamboo and stainless steel for a gentle yet effective exfoliation. It's a natural and eco-friendly way to achieve smooth, soft feet. If you prefer natural materials and a gentle approach, this is the one for you. What people say. This foot file is amazing, very well made and works incredibly well. This one took down my rough skin immediately. After just one use they were back to normal. Great product and no need for visit to the salon. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.